Welcome to Algebra Foundations. Today we're going to talk about what is foundations. On the agenda is an introduction to myself, Mr. Pillarsher, your instructor for this course, and what this course is about. So my name is Mr. Pillarsher. My first name is Noam, and the things I really would love you to know about me is I really love my family. I'm an uncle. I'm going to have a new nephew in October. I'm really excited about. But I also believe in balance. I believe in like life, work, play balance. Like it to me, all three things are important. Like the amount of time I spend on work is a third of my life, and that's how I like it. And the other third is family and friends, and the last piece is me. And the things that I like to do for myself is travel. I love learning. You can always find me taking a course. Right now, I'm studying a data science course, learning how to use Python. And that's what I bring into the class too. I believe that school is important, but I believe balance is even more important. What is this course? It's a companion course to algebra. What does that mean? Algebra is a tough class, and we want you guys to do the best you can. In this course, what it does is it bridges any gaps you might have between what you're learning in algebra and what's happening in this class. So me and Mr. Gallion, your algebra teacher, we work together, we talk, and we what happens in his class, I create units around that. And a lot of the focus that we're going to work on is word problems. It's a big issue for people at our school, and it's a big issue for kids when they come into math. Is taking word problems and taking out the meaning in terms of math, and then putting it back into the word problem to get the answer. With that, we're going to do a lot of practice. Whatever you do in Mr. Gallion's class, there's going to be practice. Also, we're more of a project-based course though, because this is more about the word problems. So projects are a little better for that kind of stuff. But number one, we're a support for Mr. Gallion's class for algebra. It is my responsibility to teach you how to use the calculator as best as you can, how to use it as a learning tool. And so, just so you know, like this class, it's a word problems class that mirrors what happens in Mr. Gallion's class, where we use projects instead of major tests to assess you, where we do a lot more practice, where you get support, and where you learn to use the calculator as a tool. Your exit ticket for today is to write three hopes and three fears you have for this academic school year. All right, thanks a lot. I'm really looking forward to working with you this year.